Oh, just look at.
It's interesting what he does with his mouth.
He's a ragdoll and he's 14 weeks old. They get big.
He's gonna be a big boy. He's gonna be a big boy. And we're gonna keep him active so he's healthy. You like to have your belly worked? I'm gonna bite you. I'm gonna bite you. What? Oh, now I'm gonna lick you because I love you.
Mind handing me it?
Let's see if this is what I think it is. Probably. Yeah, he's kind of bad. Somewhere not too bad. I suppose. You still got energy. Not next to the curtains. Not next to the curtains. Yeah. They'll get a nail in the curtain and pull it, and it's not good.
Let's see if you can open the drawer. Oh, did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
You saw him do that backflip?
Mm-hmm.
He seems to lose interest when it's fast, but when I do it like this...
You're being funny. You're being a kitten. Go. You're being a kitten. What you see? Good Scout. Good boy. That's right. Get that energy out. Get that energy out. He kind of sat up on his back legs for me a little bit. Okay. He really likes that toy. Seems like his balls. Little springy things. Seem to be okay. in.
Let's see if you can climb.
Let's not. Boy. You sit next to that pillow. Actually, you're almost the same color as the pillow. Especially your ears. Oh, he's gonna be such a pretty boy. He's already a pretty boy. You got him panting.